Universal joints. Universal joint is also known as Cardan joint and U-joint. This joint is the point of connection in a stiff rod which enables the rod to turn in any desired direction in auto-transmission system. In other words, universal joint is a joining link between two shafts that are in a changing position. These automotive transmission parts are one of the earliest form of flexible couplings that have two shaft yokes located at 90 degrees angle to each other and a 4-point cross that fasten the yokes. Let's see the consists of parts. They are three basic parts, two yokes and cross. The universal joint can transmit power when the input and output shafts are connected to a straight line in a continuous motion. The input shaft rotates the cross, which in turn rotates the output shaft. This indicates that both the input and output shafts will rotate at an equal speed. Let's see. The working principle of the universal joint is based on using two yokes, each attached to a shaft, to connect, and a cross-shaped connecting piece called a crosspin that connects the two yokes together, where the crosspin is mounted on bearings in the yokes, allowing it to turn and rotate, allowing the shafts to move and rotate relative to each other. When torque is applied to one shaft, it is transmitted through the universal joint to the other shaft, which rotates it. As the relative orientation of the two shafts changes, the crosspin can rotate and rotate in the bearings in the yokes. The universal joint allows these changes to be accommodated while transmitting torque and allowing the shafts to rotate. This allows the universal joint to provide a flexible and versatile coupling between the two shafts, allowing them to rotate and rotate freely in different directions.